Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another wig installation, and today's video is sponsored by Westkiss hair. They sent me this gorgeous wig and it came with a satin bonnet, some wispy lashes, which I cannot wait to try because they look so cute, a melting band, an HD wig cap, and then I'm gonna show you what's tea with this hair because you've seen it already and a lot of you are crazy about it. So this is the 20-inch 4x7 HD lace glueless curly wave wig, and as you can see it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, has the silicone strap. So let's get this wig on this head. All right, I know my cornrows are a mess. I'm gonna get that sorted out. It's just been a hectic season, and let me apologize for the lighting. I was struggling with my lighting on this day, but you'll get the message. Get this wig, you need this wig. So I went right ahead and plopped the wig on my head, and then I was just placing it, pulling the hair out from under the lace, and this hair is very soft, right? I did have a little bit of shedding, but that's normal with curly hair. And then we are going to get into styling it because as you can see, it looks a hot mess. So I just went in with my fine tooth rat tail comb and I'm just combing the hairs back. I am still seeing that there are hairs stuck under the lace, so I'm just using the tail end of the comb to get the hairs out from under there. But you can see, man, like the lace is sitting pretty nicely. I think I have to tighten the band a little bit more because you can see it's lifting on the sides of the edges. So I'm going in with a wax stick and I'm literally going on those edges so I can hot comb them back so it can give that hairline illusion that I'm looking for it to give. Okay, I am very careful with the hot comb. I'm not used to styling my wigs on my head. I have burnt myself with a curling iron and a hot comb before, and I don't want that to happen to me again. On a side note, I am not feeling well. And if you can see the facial expression, like I just look off, it's because I was not feeling well. But a job is style. If we had to get this hair done, we had to get this review submitted, child, because you guys have been looking for the details of this hair and I'm more than happy to deliver. So I'm gonna go with a middle part again because I've been loving the middle parts. I'm just trying to perfect that, and I'm going to use my hot comb to flatten the part. I know they say you should do it in sections, but I was not in the mood, child. Like, I just wanted to get this thing over and done with so I could shower and get into my PJs and get into bed. But honestly speaking, this hair does not need a lot of work. It is very easy to maneuver, very easy to style, and it is beginner friendly. So if you're looking to start getting into wigs, I highly recommend this wig. You can see I like combing the curls out because I like my curls really big and bushy. I don't know, I just feel like the bigger the curls, you know, the better. But yeah, curls big, go big or go home, and that's just a me thing. Let me know in the comments if you also like your curls to be big and fluffy just like me. I kept moving the wig, like I kept moving back because I didn't have the strap on too tight. I'm a size medium. Part of me felt like maybe I should get a small size, but I'm a little bit afraid of that because that could possibly give like headaches and migraines if the band is too tight. So I'll just have to tighten the belt on this one a little bit more. just going in with some water, plain water, no conditioner added, just spritzing some water on it because you guys saw it when it was poofy. I just want to show you guys how it looks when it is wet, and you can just see, like, I love these kinky curls. Like, I don't know, man, they're so dainty and delicate. I just love them, and that's how the ends look like. So you can see left is dry and right is wet. So I am gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. Spritz some water, go ahead with my detangling comb that I got from Cosmetic Connection. I've been abusing this brush, I'm not gonna lie, especially for the curly hair. It makes life so much easier. Honestly speaking, it's better than using my other brushes, and yeah, I love it. I think I'm gonna get a second one in a different color just to be safe. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. All I did was spritz some water, use a bit of wax stick to define the parts. But yeah, that's essentially it. This is one of those wigs you can wake up in the morning, throw it on, and go to work, child. Like, it is just perfect. Again, me moving the wig forward. So yeah, this is what it looks like after drying for a few minutes. But personally, I like my hair big, so I'm going to keep fluffing it up, right? I'm also going to fix the peaks on the hair using a rat tail comb. Like I told you, you don't need a hot comb. If you just spray your rat tail comb with whatever glue, if you use Got2b, you can use that, spray directly on the teeth of the comb, and then you just fix your peaks with that and use it to flatten. Also, to flatten your parts, you can use mousse, and again use like a fine tooth comb to flatten it, and it works just fine. So those who want to be wig influencers but you're like, I need a hot comb, I need a this, I need a that, you don't need it. You can buy it, but start. The best thing to do is just to start. I know it's discouraging to see wig videos not doing so well on my channel, but the thing is, whether 200 of you watch, whether 500 of you watch, whether I get 1,000 views, the girl still gets paid. This hair is drying fabulously, so I did a young 360 so you guys can see. I am obsessed, and this is what the hair looked about 20 to 30 minutes later. It was so fluffy, it is so bouncy. I love it. I'm going to leave all the details for you in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Westkiss Hair for sponsoring this video. I will see you in the next one.